So I've been using the Everydollar app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Everydollar app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Everydollar app. Everydollar app is a budgeting tool popular for its user-friendly interface, making it perfect for anyone wanting to take control of their finances. One of the standout features is its zero-based budgeting method, which encourages users to assign every dollar of their income to a specific expense, savings goal, or debt repayment. This feature is incredible because it helps you understand exactly where your money is going, ensuring you make the most of your income. Additionally, the app also allows for customized budget categories, which means you can tailor it to fit your lifestyle. Whether you're saving for a vacation or planning monthly bills, it's flexible enough to adapt to your needs. Plus, the app offers a convenient syncing feature, which means you can access your budget from anywhere, which is especially useful for those who are always on the go. Moreover, if you prefer to have everything in one place, the premium version allows you to link your bank account, which automatically updates your budget as you spend. Plus, Everydollar provides helpful tips and resources to improve your financial literacy, making it more than just a budgeting tool. One thing I really appreciate about this app is that it's available for both Android and iOS, making it accessible to everyone. Overall, if you're looking to take charge of your finances and start budgeting effectively, Everydollar app is definitely worth considering. But as always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.